we just did what everybody does. We just stop in the middle of the road. Oh!
Why did this happen?
I think he's made a mistake.
No.
But on the other side it said 25, so why is there a difference? Oh, don't get stuck in the middle of the crossing. Okay. The car on my left, I see him. I see him.
Keep doing it until
I
we
see
get
him.
there.
Oh, I see him! Sorry. Oh, it was too high. Oh, wait. Oh, you gotta do it like this. Like this force. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Clayview Driving. My name is Aman and today I am here with my sister Gurinder. You guys might remember her from this video up here, which was over a year ago, just a year ago actually. We're back in the same location. We're back in Punjab in India, and we're gonna go for a little drive. We're gonna see what's changed, what's been updated on the roads, because I have seen loads more signs since the last time we recorded, because I know last time we weren't sure of the speed limits.
Yeah.
This time around I have seen loads and loads and loads of speed limit signs. I feel like they definitely watched the video, Didi.
Yeah.
And so yeah, let's go for a drive. Whenever you're ready, let's start. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. Give me a second. If you guys enjoy watching these videos, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and select that bell icon so that you get a notification every time that I upload. Whenever you're ready, Didi, let's drive. Do what you normally would do, or whatever you would teach.
We always do blind spot. Doesn't matter where
always.
we drive.
But that mirror definitely helps because I can see that side very well. Sweet. Got some water bottles here. Alright, first of all, I'm going to be showing you speed limit signs. I can hear a horn from a distance. So currently in the village, the speed limit here is 25 kilometers per hour, right? Or miles, kilometers.
No, it's 25. Yes.
Kilometers, yeah, kilometers. Here they are. We saw that on the way into the village. Now we're heading out, so we should see a speed limit sign on the way out. There's a sign behind this one here, and that says 30 on the way in. What? It says 30 on the way in over here, but on the other side it said 25. So why is there a difference?
Maybe there's a bend on the road ahead.
Well then, well, it drops by 5, does it? That's strange. That is very strange. But the other roads are, you know what? I actually realised I have seen national speed limit signs. You know when you're going towards Jadala, towards Fagwara that way.
I didn't see any.
I know, I've seen them. Every time you kind of pass the village, there's a national sign, and then when you go back into the busy area, it drops again to like 30. Oh look, a no overtaking sign. The potholes are annoying. Your steering wheel alignment is like this.
I know.
It's so annoying. I tried driving this car the other day and you're kind of like this the whole time.
But we did try.
Yeah, no, I think it's just because of the roads here, because of the potholes and the bumps and the, yeah. And the fact that you're not really driving on roads sometimes, no tarmac. So that doesn't help. Is anyone behind? Because I don't have an interior mirror this time.
No.
Is he trying to overtake?
Yeah.
Oh god. Okay, well ahead of us guys we have like a truck carrying sugar canes.
No, it's a trolley.
Yeah, but I'm trying to say it. Okay, it's a trolley. But they're carrying sugar canes, and look how wide that top is. Oh god. We're not going to be able to overtake that. Not if we get to the next road anyways. The next road is really narrow. Oh, this guy's like, yep, can't overtake. He's moving back into line because he can see a car. Look at her actually checking her mirrors today. Oh, you! Yeah. I don't normally see you do this. Oh, he's going straight. Great. Oh!
It's going Mehadpur.
I think he's made a mistake.
No. They are going there.
Oh no, there was someone.
Sugarcane.
There was someone in front of him. Oh, that was a tractor in front.
Yeah.
Let him know we're overtaking, even though he knew we were behind him. I got told off so many times by Dee telling me that I need to use the horn because the other cars are not expecting me to be behind them or overtaking them, even though it's very clear at this point. But yeah. What is it? 30?
From there it's 30.
From there it's 30, okay.
It used to be last time 40s.
That's what I thought. That's why I thought it was 40 last time.
Now.
Okay, so it's 30. What speed are we driving at?
40, 50. Yeah, I'm just keeping it 50. But that seems like.
Now you've dropped down, yeah. Oh, we have a crossroads ahead. Very busy crossroads. Wait. This is where we met that man last time. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Speed limit man.
Yeah, he was just around.
Just after that bend, I think.
No. He was just here. Just
Nah.
He was walking.
He was walking where the other man's walking.
Just
okay,
around
fine.
here.
Yeah. What's going on ahead?
Maybe.
Oh, it's just because loads of people are in the road. Look, we have a zebra crossing.
What's the speed limit now then? 60 again?
We haven't seen signs. I think it's still the same. It's annoying because they've put a speed limit as you go
lower
in.
speed they only put in the
No,
like,
but that's the thing. They put the speed limit as you enter the village.
Yeah.
As you're leaving, they don't put signs, which is a bit weird because then you don't know if it's gone up. Why did you use the horn?
Oh, just to make him alert.
Beep.
So go back on your side.
Alright, at the end of the road, turn left. Wait. At the end of the road, turn left, please. Alright, thank you very much. There's our lovely level crossing. You know what? We've not got stuck at this level crossing for a while. And this is quite a busy one as well, isn't it? The train station.
Last time we've been here, it was closed. Look at the light, and the light just came. Or is it?
No, it was on for a while. It's been on for a while. I don't really know what that means, but... Oh, don't get stuck in the middle of the crossing.
There's a red light there.
Yeah, that's to say no trains can come through yet. Wait. Oh, now it's going to get busier. Oh my god, dude, get on your side of the road. Dude, how old do you have to be to start riding a bike? Like a scooter or a motorbike?
16 maybe?
Okay. Do you want me to drive the rest of the way?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Okay, wait, we gotta find a suitable place to park up then. Don't overtake here. Okay. Oh my god. That's fine. Where do you want to park then, if you want me to drive? Should we stop here? Just turn into the side bit. You just turn into a side road. Like a side space. Okay, fine. And turn left, thank you very much. Oh, this is quite a long wheel drive, look at that.
This truck.
I didn't notice that until right now.
Can you relight it?
Well, I can see it at least. The back ones are doubles. The back has 16. Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Drive.
Alright, we're ready to drive. Okay. I think I've got everything organised. Oh, I can't see that one. There we go, thank you very much. There we go, that's perfect, thank you. Watch how this goes up. You're gonna try.
Hit the Honda, chal. Lock Allah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, there is a car behind. I should not have gone. And I'm gonna go now. Look at that dog in the road. Okay, I'm going straight, right?
It's gonna be so busy up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. This footrest feels weird. When I take my foot to the left side, I can't move my foot nicely. Like the pedal seems too far. Is it like that or is it just me?
It
feels weird. I can't move my foot easily. Brake. Okay, there's a motorbike behind. Traffic in front. The boys are trying to overtake, I think. No, he's not. He's staying behind. There's a parked car. There's a man on the right giving tea out by the looks of it. Okay. Now we go straight. Would you overtake this person?
Yeah.
Okay. The car behind me thought the same thing. Look, he's gone. Okay. That guy behind. You notice the cameras in front and behind. Oh!
Why did this?
Oh!
Why did this slap him?
Oh! What the hell was that?
They're idiots.
What the hell was
Think
that?
about you holding the camera outside and somebody can snatch it.
Yeah, I was. What a silly man.
Even the owner of the dog was saying the same.
Did he react?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sad. What? Okay, I'm going straight, yeah?
Yeah.
That way or that way? That way? Okay. Okay.
Oh,
The car on my left, I see him. I see him.
Keep doing it
I
until
see
we
him.
get there.
Oh, I see him! Sorry. See, which way was he going now? He was going the other way. It's because there was traffic on the other side. He didn't go that way. Okay. Potholes, bricks raised. Man reversing the motorbike. Man with the woman on the left. Motorbike in front, slowing down.
Which way you want to go now? Straight?
Which way should I go? Oh my god. Which way Where should I go?
Keep going straight, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like it's so busy up there.
It's just that one parked car. I can see the grey one. Otherwise, it's fine.
No, I'm thinking ahead.
No, it's just this guy. I can see that there's
Not
a...
in my feeling.
Please move to one side or the other. Don't stay in the middle of the road. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Look, it's all good. There's a milkman. These hazards are ridiculous. Okay, so we're going along slowly. I need to turn my headlights on now. Yes, right?
You do need to.
Yeah, I just turned them on.
Where is it?
The headlights are here.
On. Oh, it is parked here.
Oh, is he moving? Oh,
On the man.
Do I wait for him? Okay, these guys are
idiots.
I don't know what they're doing. There's a motorbike on my right and a car in front. And a motorbike on my left. Oh my god! Why is he doing that? The way that man just did that. This is a learner's nightmare, this section, isn't it? Okay, pedestrians all around. Pedestrians all around. People in the road walking towards us right there. And I feel like that's someone we know.
Recording हो रही है, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ भी हो गई है.
Bye bye. I was thinking I could see him. We just did what everybody does. We just stopped in the middle of the road. Thank you
Now
very
he
much
worried
for
about
reversing.
his. Okay.
Little bicycle.
No, keep to the right. Keep to the right.
Okay.
That's where he's gonna go then.
Okay.
Yeah, now push to the left. Push the steering to the left.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. And there's a motorbike. There's a motorbike.
Good deal.
Then we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, we're good. My shisha looks like it's moved. We're good. Okay. Motorbike coming towards me. Don't do it, mister. Thank you. Car moving in front of me. Motorbike behind me. Motorbike in front, but we're good. Cyclists on the left. Pedestrians on the left walking into the road. Beep, beep, beep. Don't move in front. It's just like this the whole time. Cyclist on my left. Little kid in a red hoodie. And a dog. And a dog. Quite a cute dog. Pedestrians in the road again. And we're going to make a right turn, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, lady in the road. Please don't move this way. Motorbike in front. Okay, that's fine. Well, and then a motorbike in front. Signal right again. I did signal, it turned off. 1, 2, 3. Car in front. Do I wait? Yeah, okay. And then I slowly move through because now there's only motorbikes and I can slowly continue. Please don't. Why do they do that where they go 2 by 2? Motorbike behind, but he's just parking. There's so much going on. No one behind me that's trying to overtake me. And we're out of the high street, thank God for that. Okay, I'm gonna park it now. Oh, I'm gonna relax now because that was a bit intense, that last bit. Does it do that every time? Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. That was a lot more than I asked for. I don't really like driving through the high street here, especially when it gets that busy. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video has been useful. I don't know how. Possibly.
Yeah, alertness.
Alertness. Well, hopefully you noticed the hazards like I did, and if you noticed any more, let me know. But thank you guys for watching. That is it from us today. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and bye.